Hello, I'm Rachel and this is our microwave oven.
So my name's Chris, I'm a PhD student at UCL and today I'm going to be using the microwave.
Okay, so my name is CH+MED and I'm a PhD student and I'm going to cook today. A big microwave experiment.
Yes, I've been living here for about 5 years now, and I wouldn't say I use it every day, but use it quite a lot, so
Okay.
I'd like to think I know what to do with it.
Racers ready. Microwaves ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Put
the microwave on full power for 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. So
wasn't running on full power.
It's on high, and it's about 3.5 minutes.
Okay, so this is going to be interesting whether it actually does.
Chaos. It has a chaos button.
Okay, stop. We're going to assume it's full power.
Oh,
It just start. Oh, that's about 3.5 minutes.
maybe just start. Oh, that doesn't seem to do anything. Okay, well, 3.5 minutes. I can probably do that. So we have 3. Oh, that was 10 minutes. Stop. Okay, so that's 3.5. And the power. Press start.